equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. First, turn off your PS5 controller and remove the battery cover. You'll need to unscrew the 4 screws located on the back of the controller. These screws are quite small, so be careful not to strip them. If you're unsure about handling screws, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic prying tool to separate the 2 halves of the controller. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. As you open the controller, you'll notice the internal components, including the joystick assembly. Next, locate the joystick module. It's typically held in place by a few screws. Carefully unscrew these and lift the joystick out. If you're having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice if needed. Now, take your new joystick and align it with the connectors on the circuit board. Ensure it's seated properly before securing it with the screws you previously removed. This is a crucial step, as a loose joystick can lead to further issues down the line. After securing the joystick, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your controller. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can assist you with any questions you might have during this process. Once everything is clean and the joystick is secured, it's time to reassemble the controller. Carefully align the 2 halves and press them together until you hear a click. Reinsert the screws on the back, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, as this can strip the plastic. Finally, replace the battery cover and turn on your controller to test the new joystick. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the joystick on your PS5 controller. If you encounter any issues, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your controller repaired without any hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.